No, sir.
Just see there. Firstly, start with the definition. What is the full form of HTML? Just type in what is the full form of HTML. You know,
No, sir.
HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It's a hypertext markup language. Okay, we generally use this language for the formation of web page. Understood? There
Yes,
are
sir.
two types of tags available in this particular language. There are two types of tag. First one, that is container tag. First one, that is container tag.
Container tag.
Container tag. What is the meaning of container tag? We talk about the container tag. So we need to close that. For example, just see there, we just open here HTML tag and we need to close this tag like this. We have to use the slash to close this particular tag, right? Similarly, there are so many tags
Yes.
available. So we just give some example here, just like this. Adding one tag, and you can just write anything in this particular section, whatever you want, and you need to close this tag. Why we close this tag, you know, just see here, when we don't close this tag, it means the property will be going on from the whole coding, right? So we have to restrict that particular property or this format on the particular location. That's why we have to close this, right? We just take in
Yes,
the
sir.
next topic. So just take the another type, that is the empty tag. Empty tag.
Right.
Okay, we don't need to just close this tag. You use your BR tag. It is the empty tag. Okay, we don't need to close this tag, right? Just like it is used normally for the line break. Whenever you need to line break, you can go with the empty tag. That is BR tag, right?
Yes, sir.
Similarly, you can go with the HR tag. It is also empty tag. You can go through this option. Just see there. How can we use these tags? Okay, today we are going to learn these tags. Clear? So firstly, just press enter here. And whenever you just write this coding, you use the notepad. Okay. And you start your coding with this tag, that is the doc type HTML, because it is the HTML5 version. So we need to just type this particular tag, or you can directly use the HTML tag. We don't need to more than this. You just want to just simple program, then you can go with that, right? And you need to just save. Whenever you just
So,
save this coding, you need to just click on save as, and you have to use .html as an extension. So you just write here .html, right? Understood?
yes, sir.
And after that, when you just save that, you will get a file of internet web page file on your desktop, where you just store there. You will get the file. You will get that
Okay.
file in this format. Is it visible the screen or not here?
So the screen is visible.
Only notepad or anything else?
So the full screen is visible. I can see the BR tag and the HR tag.
No, you just, it is visible for the result HTML.html or not?
No,
So,
sir.
so here we just get the result. Just see there. When we use here like this, you will get the result like this. Just see there. What is the full form? As we save this particular, we type on notepad on, we just save as an HTML. You can see here as the result 2022.html. That is the output of our coding. So here we just remove all the things from this section and we just try to do some coding here. Clear? So firstly, we
Okay.
need to just use the head tag. Why we use head tag? Head tag provide the facilities to type something on the title bar. We use here the tag, that is title tag. That is title tag.
Tag.
And we just write here www.sanjay.com
Sir, I cannot
website name.
see the notepad.
And what happened here?
Sir, I cannot see the
Notepad is
notepad.
not visible, so just wait here and just sharing this notepad again. Is it visible now?
No, sir. Yes, sir, it's now visible.
Okay, so that is the title tag. Title tag help us to show the particular heading on the title. This is a see there. This is just like a title bar. Okay. So we will get on the web page this particular tag on the top of the page. Clear? And if you want to just write some content or write some headings in the particular web page, you write to use your H1 tag for the font size. This is a header style. Okay, as you learn in the MS Word, different types of the style, heading 1, heading 2, heading 3. Similarly, we use here the predefined style for the different headers tag, where we just write here again www.sanjay.com, right? And just close this tag, H1 tag, H1 tag here. Clear? Just save the result,
Yes,
just
sir.
click on this and just save the result, and we just get the output of that. So we just move on. We have to move on this screen. Just click on this. Just see the output. Just press here F5. You will get the refresh content. Just see there. As we type in the title bar, it comes at the top www.sanjay.com, and we will get the content as we type in H1 tag, that is www.sanjay.com. This is my web page, and here we have the title bar. Understood? Clear here?
Yes, sir.
So just move on the next part. Just go with the next coding. If you want to just write some content on this particular tag, if you want to just align the center, if you want to align this tag into center, so we use here the center tag. This is the center tag which help us to align the content in the center. Okay, it is also an empty tag, sorry, container tag, because we have to close these properties. Otherwise, it will continue all the content into center align, right? Just save this again.
Yes,
and try to find out the result. Just move on here and try to find out the result. Just see there. When we just refresh it, you will get the content at the center. Just see there. It comes at the center position, right? Because we use the center tag. Understood? And just see there. When we use the body tag in this section, just see there. We use your body tag and close this body tag here. Right? And you want to just write some content in this particular section, just like this. Hello, this is.
Sir, I can't see the notepad
Okay,
again.
I'm just sharing you. This is. Now is it visible? Hello, this is my first web page for all, right? So this is the content. We just write in the body tag, and here we have some property by which we control the color of the background of the page and text as well. So you just write here BG color. BG color means background color, and we just check the spelling. You have to write here COLOR, not COLOUR, right? And because it is an American language, so we need to just type here COLOR and type here, that is purple color, or you can write here red color, right? And text will be white. So just use the text color, that is white. Clear? Just save this again,
Yes,
this file, and move on the web page as we save here and refresh it like this. Just press here and press F5 to the refresh shortcut. Just see there. Just see here the content coming at the center, right? And the background is become what? Is becoming
red.
And text will be white when we type this coding. Okay, so here we get all the result text in white color and background in red color. You can also make the underline by using HR tag. You know what is the use of HR tag? Just see there. Here just type your HR tag and just sharing this screen as well. Just see there. Here we just type here HR tag. HR tag help us to give some line between the particular place, just for between the two paragraph, between the two content. Okay, and just save this. After saving this, again you will get the result like this. Just move on here and just see, is it visible? And press F5, you will get the result. Underline. This is the line coming with
Yes,
that.
I see the line.
Yeah. So it performed the HR, and there are some attribute as well. So we can go with that the next class. Here we just revise all the content. HTML tag needs to write the codes, and we have to close this to a tag at the last. Okay. And after that, we
Yes.
have to mention the head, and you just keep in mind title always, title tag will work only between the head tag or between these two tag, head start and head end. Okay. Otherwise, it will not work. So we need to just type here this particular content in this tag, right? And after that, we use here whatever you want as a header. H1 is the header, and you want to just underline this. Only the text you can go with the U. U is the shortcut key, shortcut tag, or you can just use the tag for the underline of this text. So just press here and
Okay, sir.
slash and use U and close this tag. Clear? So after closing this, we need to save this and just check again. Just move on here and refresh this screen as well. Just see there and press here. Is it visible screen, web page?
Yes, sir. The web page is visible.
Underline coming under this particular word. Clear?
Yes, sir. I see it.
Okay. So we do the another code, that is the font tag. If you want to just color this tag, you need to just use your font tag. Font, right? And use your font and color. Right? And just type here yellow. Just keep in mind, whenever we just assign the value within the tag, we need to use double encode. We need to type double encode. Just see there, double encode means like this. Okay, it comes like this. Otherwise, it will not work, right? And just type your font. Notepad is visible or not here?
Yes, sir.
So see there, notepad. It is the notepad as we type here this code. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, and just save this again. And again, we move on the web page like this and press F5. You will get the content yellow, right? So this is the
Yes,
feature
sir.
by which we control the particular property. What is the meaning of attribute? Attribute is the help properties of the particular tag. For example, body attribute is BG color, which control the particular background for the particular web page, and text is the attribute of the body which control the color of the text, and font is the tag by which we control the particular specific text in our web page, and we can define the specific property by using this for the particular text. Understood? So that is the simple program as we just type here. Okay, so firstly just write all the things on your web page and try to make that. And if you want to just insert or just place the image in this particular section, you have to write here on the place of this, just remove this, and you want to just insert the background as an image. So you should use your background, that is BACKGROUND, background. And you can insert any animated images. For example, we just type one.gif. This is my first image, right? And if we have some image in this particular screen, we need to just find out this image, animated images. Let me check that. I think we don't have any pictures, so you can take any image, okay, dear? Animated, I got it. Just wait.
Okay, sir.
I got image. Just copy this image and place on the desktop and rename it. That is 1. And just see there. Here we have the screen, and here we just type a one.gif. Just save this particular file and move on the result file. That is our web page. And after that, just press F5. You will get these types of animated images as you work with that in PowerPoint, animated images, right? GIF format. So see there is a background animation coming with this page. You will You can observe here. Is it visible here or not?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It's rainbow.
Okay, so you can try to make this web page. Okay, and if you have any query, just ask me.
Okay, sir.
So just note down all the content from here to there, right?
Okay,
And we'll
sir.
take another tag in the another class. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, dear. Take care. Have a nice day.
Sir,